Hi everyone. Let's discuss about activity plans and how we can use in this CRM module of Odoo 19. So for that, go to the CRM. Then under the configuration, you can see here activity types and activity plans. If you click activity plans, here you can see there are nothing. So create a new, then plan name, then activity type. So for example, onboarding is my plan name. Then here model is lead, then activity type. So I can select different activity types under activity plan. So basically in onboarding, we can select either to-do, email, meetings, there are different options. Then assignment, then assign to which person, interval, like this. So this is more helpful for the sales and marketing team in order to perform the follow-ups and activities, so those kind of things. So here, if we update the activity type as to-do, then here we have assignment default user ask at launch. Means we can set a default user, or while onboarding time we can update the user. Then assign to which person. Then interval, days or week, month, like this. Then again, we can add other one like email, call, like this. So once it is saved, the activity plan is created. Then, if I want to create an opportunity directly here, or any existing opportunity, if I open here, then here we have activity. If I click here activity, I can see the activity plan. If I click activity plan, then automatically you can see to do and call, which is the activity type under the activity plan. So we'll have both these. Then these are the dates what we set. So basically, if we want to set up an activity plan, we can define individual activity types. So then schedule, so like this. So you can see at one time, the to-do and call both are activated. Means both are scheduled or planned. Now we don't want to do individual activity directly. So if we want to do the individual, go to the activity, then we have to do one by one. Instead, we can set up a plan for this. So, okay, thank you.